Alright guys, so I'm going to just take you for a little ride. We're going to do a little spot repair on this F-150. This is paint code RR. This has already been cleaned. All I need to do is literally tack it off and paint it. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, first things first, as usual, we're going to get a base coat blender on it. We'll let that dry, and then we'll blend out our base coat. Alright. And as usual, I like to dry this because at the end of the day, all I want this to do is just help me to see and give me a nice smooth surface to start from. And it doesn't have to be all the way dry, just flash off. I don't want to see purple anymore. That's good enough. And I'm going to use the 3M gun again. I've been literally hooked on this lately. 20 PSI. It's got a 1.3 HVLP nozzle on it. We'll just go ahead and get this started. It should be covered right there. That fast. We'll find out. I'll bust out the sun gun and we'll see. Just to flash off real quick. Maybe it's not covered. I might need a couple more coats. That's alright. Yeah, if you guys haven't tried this is from Dent Fix Equipment. It's probably going to blind you on video, but yeah, you can still kind of see. Alright. I'm going to just leave this in here because I'm probably going to need it. Alright, see where that lands us. Let's find out. Oh no, we're good. Yeah, control coat that and should be good. Drop this down a little bit. Good. Yep. Happy with that. We're going to do this all just one after another. I'm going to dry this, and then I'll get my single layer of tinted mid coat on it, blend it out, and we'll be good. I am going to spray a little bit of base coat blender around the area. Alright, we'll double check it one last time. Yep, that all looks really good. I don't know if it's blowing it out on camera or not. That looks really, really nice. So at this point, that base coat, like the ground coat's done. All I've got to do is swap over here to my mid coat, which this is just transparent. It's almost like candy. We'll Get this nozzle off. Okay. It's the nice thing about these guns. You just wipe that needle off. Especially for 3 stages. And bam, I'm ready for that. So now what I'm going to do, because I'm going to spray just a tinted mid, is I'm going to wet bed about half of this and half of that, and then I can spray my wet bed into it. Because what I'm going to do is a nice wet coat, and then I'll back up and just drop coat it while it's still wet. I do it with pearl whites too. It works out so much nicer. So I'll just get my blend out area here. So like this far out. Okay. I don't need to go all the way to the end. There, because I'm really just going to spray that area. Let's set back up. Oh, this is sitting right. Alright. This will go really fast again, guys. Okay, now I'll back up, drop it down a little bit, and just control coat it while it's wet. And this is more or less just to smooth out this candy. I'm not trying to orient anything, I'm just trying to smooth out this candy layer, and that should be mint. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it, and we'll check it out. Bada bing, bada boom, guys, that's blended out. You can see that's nice and smooth. I can't ask for easier than that. I'm gonna go hit the flash cycle. These reds tend to take a good while to dry. So flashing it for 10 minutes at 100 degrees, that should lock this down, and then we can clear it. So I'll turn you guys back on. Again, hooked up. I'll turn you guys back on when I got clear coat in the gun. We'll get this thing out of here. Alright guys, so this is flashed for 10 minutes. Our repair looks awesome. I'm going to switch it up a little bit today. I'm going to use my Welcome. I haven't used this gun for a while, especially for clear coat. This is an HTE base, but that doesn't mean you can't use it for clear. So we're going to go ahead and get down with this guy today. Thinking like 28. I don't know. Let's see what 28 looks like. So that's 28. Maybe a little less. We'll go 27. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's just get it. All right. Let's go top down today. I'm feeling froggy. Let's just do that. Oh yeah, I remember how fine this atomizes. Alright, so that's our first coat on there. Everything looks amazing. RR always looks so good. Yeah. I have much to say other than that looks awesome, so I'm going to go mix up and see how much I used. I mixed up 10. And I've got 1, 2, 3. So I use 7 ounces, so I need, you know, roughly 4 more. Alright, well, I'll go mix up some more clear. We'll let this get sticky and we'll do a second. Alright, this should be good and sticky at this point. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. Go ahead, we'll double check our pressure real quick. Yep. Alright, coat number 2, and that's gonna be donezo for this one. You like to party. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, that's it. Cleared with this HTE base. Welcome, this is a 1.3. I mean, my blend is like perfect. I have no complaints with that at all. Finish looks good. This thing, it's not nearly as fast as my Segola, but it leaves a pretty good finish. Like, I really can't complain about that. I've got one little chunk of crap that I'm going to have to nib out after a bake cycle, but yeah, not too worried about this one outside of that. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough and ride along video, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I post videos like this, just make sure you hit that bell notification little icon thing. And yeah, until next time, thank you for watching.